Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to add two photos in Instagram posts. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app. Once on the app, you're going to simply go onto the home screen as you can see right here, and you're going to pull it to the right. And from here, you're going to select Create as you can see here. Once on Create, you're going to tap on the sticker icon at the top of the page. Then you're going to scroll down until you see a preview of your gallery. As you can see right below hashtag, you're going to tap on that. Then from here, you're going to select the first photo that you would like to add. After you have selected the photo, you can drag it into the position that you want, and you can also use your fingers to minimize the size. So you want to move it into the perfect position that you want, as you can see there. Then you're going to tap on the sticker icon again, and you're going to scroll down, tap on the preview of your gallery. Then you're going to select the other photo that you would like to add, and you're going to use your finger to drag it into position. And again, you can increase or decrease the size. And also, if you would like to change the shape of the photo, you can do that by tapping on it, as you can see right there. And once you're finished, you can simply save this by simply tapping on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to select Save. And after you have saved it, you're going to go back. Then you're going to tap on the X, and you're going to tap on the plus again at the top right hand corner. And from here, you want to ensure that you have selected Post, and you want to select the photo that you had created earlier, and you would simply tap on Next in the top right hand corner. Then tap on Next again to continue uploading it, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.